Alex says, hey, Bradley, I launched a new site a few weeks ago and was performing on page 3 or 4, 3 to 5, and then out of nowhere it disappears from ranking, but it's still indexed. I've had this happen with a few sites. They totally appear and disappear randomly from results, but are still indexed. Have you seen this happen? Yeah, typically that's something to do with an algorithm update, like the uh, the Google spam update from December 2024. That was a huge one. And we saw a lot of sites got hit where they would still remain indexed, but they just completely dropped in rankings and lost all traffic in Search Console, but they were still indexed. That was a lot. A lot of that had to do with the Google spam index, spam update from December. Like we saw a lot of people's sites got hit. They had no reason to get hit. They weren't doing anything spammy. They just got caught up as an unintended consequence in that particular algorithm update. And that happens every single time. You guys have noticed probably the Google business posts have not been showing in GB's Google business lately. At least a lot of them are not showing. Again, that's likely just a bug from Google. From what I understand, I haven't researched it, but I see this kind of, especially Google business, it's very, very buggy. And so there's always things that break temporarily until Google gets around to fixing them. So that's my assumption with the Google business post. Maybe it's been announced that they're getting rid of them, but typically it's a bug. And unless they announce it, it will resolve itself at some point. Same thing with these. Like if you've got sites that just completely disappear from the search results, and if you check Search Console and they've completely lost impressions, like they're not receiving impressions anymore, even if they're still indexed, change the domain. That's the quickest and easiest way to recover. You could try to recover on-page optimization or penalties. Excuse me. You can try to recover from a penalty, which could be possible. It might be an algorithmic penalty. If you don't have a manual spam action notification in Search Console, it could be an algorithmic penalty. That is likely what is occurring. And it's very difficult. On page, it's typically a little bit easier to recover from, but off page, link penalties, essentially, they're very, very difficult to recover from. And I've spent months and months, like sometimes, like I had a tree service brand that I had for many, many years, and it got hit with an algorithmic penalty. The domain did, and I lost a bunch of rankings, and so I spent 5 months trying to recover that site. Spent an enormous amount of time, over 5 months, trying to recover it. Was never able to recover it. So eventually I gave up and I just started moving the individual locations to subdomains of a new domain and setting up new sites, etc. And they started to come back. Not fully, but I was able to recover a lot of the rankings that way. And so again, just change the domain. Okay.